It's Sam, welcome to Boring Money, where money should be the only boring aspect of your life. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering what a squeeze page is. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm talking about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. For this session, make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready, because it's really good to do this exercise along with me. Alright, so what is a squeeze page? A squeeze page is a web page where you want to collect your clients' or your audience's information. Most likely their email, because you want to do email marketing with them, or their phone number, depending on what type of business you want to conduct. My main focus is going to be affiliate marketing, because that's what I do. And depending on what type of page builder you use, I use ClickFunnels because it's pretty much the Lamborghini of ClickFunnels. Is the best page builder that you can use right now. And if you don't use ClickFunnels, that's all right. You can always model exactly how I'm doing it as well. So the goal of your squeeze page should get your audience's attention, push on their pains, and show them how they can solve their pain issues, which we call a benefit. If you don't know what a pain is, make sure you watch this video, because I talk about how you can look for pain points that are already existing, that people have. Ultimately, your squeeze page will capture your audience's information: email, phone number, name, depending on what you want to do. I'm going to focus on email. So how do you capture someone's attention? We use what we call a hook. Like when you're going out fishing, you put bait on the hook and then you reel them in, right? It's pretty much the same concept, except you're fishing for people's attention and trying to reel them in with what you have to offer, right? So there's a couple of formulas that people sell in their courses for thousands of dollars. Oh, I'm going to give it to you for free here. And it's using words that show people how to do something. So the first formula is how to benefit without pain. And the second formula is how to benefit and benefit. So let's use real world examples. And first example is going to be in the make money space. So here goes. How to generate passive income without struggling to pay the bills on time. So here you're going to have a benefit and also a pain. You're giving them a benefit and then enticing them that they can remove a pain. Another example is for the health market, specifically for people that are doing the keto diet affiliate marketing. So here goes. How to melt 3 inches of belly fat without spending 3 hours at the gym every single day. Now that works extremely well because I used that before. Spending 3 hours at the gym every single day is a pain point. Not everyone wants to spend 3 hours at the gym every day unless they're passionate about it. But for the average Joe, for the average Joe and Jane, they don't want to spend 3 hours at the gym every day. That's 3 hours of extra money they can make when they go to work. That's 3 hours of time that they could have spent with their family or doing activities. So this is a pain. Of course, you can word it your own way and really tailor it to your personality, to your style. Because if people already know you and how you talk, then they should know your personality should be congruent with what you say, right? And then for the people that are trying to market self-help, here's an example. How to build self-confidence and speak publicly with a smile. Of course, tailor that to your marketing style yourself. So you can see where I'm going with these formulas, right? With these examples. So I want you to try to make at least 5 different hooks using these formulas so that you can have examples, you can have multiple hooks for you to do A/B testing, which is split testing, where you can test which one really converts more so that you can change to the next one if the first one doesn't work as well, right? This is something you should play around with. You can always evolve this and add more information to it, change it up, and see which one really works best for you. So now that you know how to write a really effective and converting hook, now let's put that into your page builder so that you can see it in action. Log into your funnel builder. I'm using ClickFunnels. You can use anything you want. You can use ClickFunnels. You can use my affiliate link down in the description below if you don't have an account already. Or you can use GetResponse, Builderall, Systeme.io, whatever you prefer to use. I tend to want to use ClickFunnels more because they're way more optimized. There's less bugs. They're super easy to use, and it's pretty much the Lamborghini of funnel builders. So it's pretty simple. Put in the headline, update it, and you can definitely model this one I made here. So let's highlight the benefit by bolding it. And then let's really also pop the without. And then this is the way I do it. This is what's helping me get up to 50% conversion rates for lead generation. So here it is. And then what you want to do is make it look pretty, make it look good to the eye so that it captures what people are looking at. Because this is the first thing that people should see. And then let's space this out. That looks a little bit better, but I think we can work it out even better. Hold on a second. Can increase this up. We can increase or decrease the size, but we really want it to pop out more. Here's the email form. Leave it as it is. And then the button here. You want to change that to something that's not generic, like that really pushes your audience's buttons, that resonates with them. So add the button text here. Let's even up the words here. And let's see. Seems a little bit off. Let me increase the size. Let's remove some space on the top. And there you go. You don't even need to scroll down for it. You can just see everything right there, and that's what we want. This looks really nice. These are my colors, of course. If you can use your own colors that deals with what you're doing, and it's as simple as that. That's how you create a lead capture page, an opt-in page, or a squeeze page, if you will. So come up with more examples, test them out. If you truly want to build an automated business that actually generates real passive income, then affiliate marketing is the way to go, especially if you follow the strategies that I use. And if you want to learn how to become profitable with your own affiliate marketing business, well, click on the link down below in the description, because you'll get to learn how to start from scratch on how to build the business yourself. You'll learn how to provide real world value to people that need it. And you'll learn how to actually choose the right product to do affiliate marketing with. There's no greasy or slimy salesman tactics here, because you're not hard selling. You're giving people valuable information, and then they decide on their own time when to purchase whatever you're marketing. Whether it's giving love advice or teaching real estate, and maybe even helping empower women after postpartum, because that's a real issue that a lot of pregnant women face after having a baby. It's what postpartum is. Women have depression from parting with their baby. So if you want to help women, that's one niche that you can help people with. Now imagine yourself being able to help people that need it, and maybe they didn't even know that they need it. It's pretty powerful stuff, right? And frankly, people don't really want to be sold to. So you'll learn the best way to do affiliate marketing without hard selling, and by providing real problem-solving value and skills on your end. So if you're serious about doing affiliate marketing the right way, then be sure to click on the link down below in the description. You'll get a free 4-day video training series that will teach you why it's beneficial for you now and in the future. So with that said, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.